Okay, it's hot, so I'm gonna make this very quickly. Good morning, everyone. This is Mustafa Ali. It is 9 a.m. and it is approximately 45 or 47 degrees. So I want to finish this video very quickly. I have a Grand Cherokee and I'm gonna change the headlights from these to ones that I found on eBay. That's it. I'm gonna go inside the car and finish the video. I've had this Grand Cherokee for almost 9 years. And one of the things that I'm not happy with is the headlights. It has something with the lens. It's not distributing the lights very well. So I went ahead on eBay and I bought something. Please don't make fun of me. I have no idea how is this gonna turn out. Let's see. This headlights, I'm gonna make a better video. Yeah, this headlights, it has the LED stripe with these two LEDs. It has a sequential signal and another lens different than the one that's in the stock headlights, and it's black. So hopefully it is good. One of the advantages about these, it plugs right into the original harness. It will not need any modification, and it has a place for the bulb. So if the headlights went out, you don't have to replace the whole thing like some of the other headlights on the market. They comes with built-in LEDs. So if the LED went out, you will have to change the whole headlights. This one, you can change just the light bulb. Okay, so I bought these from eBay. They're about 460 bucks, and I have no idea if it's good or bad. Okay everyone, it's night time, so it's a little bit cold now. Not cold, but it's better. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the headlights. The removal of the bumper is very easy. Clips at the bottom, and there are 2 screws, I believe, on the side behind the fenders, and a couple of clips on the top, and then you can pull out the bumper. I'm gonna use my garage door to check out the reflection of the headlights. Also, if you're into Supras and sport cars, I have some videos for the Supras, but that's for another day. Okay, first thing we did is to remove this fog light. You can see how messed up it is. That's why it's, I've been using the car for 9 years and it is sandy here. So this is done. This is the new one. You can see the difference between the old one and the new one. It's very easy to remove. There's just a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. You can wiggle it here. There are 4 clips around it and it pulls out. Okay people, now we have already fixed the there are 3 things that you have to move from the old headlights to the new one. There is one, I don't know what is it, ballast or computer or whatever. This piece, and if your headlight supports the water spray, so you will have to remove this from the old headlights into the new one. The new one comes with a piece of plastic. You can remove it and put this one in. Now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna hook the lights, switch it on, and hopefully I did not make a very bad decision buying these. I cannot hear a click. Come on! Yo! I think I broke one of the clips. One of the lights did not work, and I'm terrified. Yesterday or last night, one of the lights did not work, so I had to pull everything apart and check the headlights. I was worried that some of the wirings are wrong or not correct inside the headlight. like manufacturing issues or whatever. It's Chinese brand. It's no brand actually. It doesn't have any brand. It's Chinese, no catalog, no warranty. So it's a bit of a risk if you're gonna buy these. But I found out the problem was one of the computer or ballast not connecting properly. So I plugged it in properly, and now everything is working fine. I'm gonna show you the lights. When you switch it on, there is like a welcoming signal LED, and then it will turn on. You can disconnect that if you don't like it. Oh.